My business just got easier to run. I'm using House Call Pro. It's a great app. It's for small businesses like myself, service business, on the run, running and gunning, doing your thing. For service calls, payments, invoicing, dispatching. Today I dispatched my sons. One came to the shop, another one went to a job directly from home, all at the touch of a button. Check it out. Check out the link below, housecallpro.com/Chuck Barron. And the first month is $19. You can't beat it. See you at the job. First fixture you want to open is the tub, because there's no aerator. And you also want to use this to fill off the hot water heater. Before the water heater can be lit, it's got to be full, so that's what we're doing now. I don't even want to fill this up because it'll take away from the tank.
The prices are on before you answer the call. Saying I was looking at some prices on the app.
Look at that pressure. 1/2-inch copper water main. Again. See the aerator? Look. We're gonna do another one, don't worry about it. This has a washer. No pipe dope needed.
Yeah.
But look, some dirt. Since it's a rubber washer, then what do? We test it. Yeah, get the shot, dog. Somebody's doing a school project today. There it is. Nice pressure and no leak. You want to do this one? You just want to do the furnace today? I'll do this for you. Look, this is very important. Different sink, same situation. Aerator. Look at that, more dirt. Old beach house. Watch that. You want to do the hot too, okay? Very important. Fog drain, that's what that is. Gurgling, sucking for air. Don't scratch nothing. And then you test it. Boom. First, let's turn this on. While we're here. Boom. I don't have a wrench for this. The one I have doesn't fit. Don't know what kind of faucet it is, but what I'm going to do here is this. Take the head off. I hope. Oh, wrong way. Now we can run the water. Clear all the debris out. So we don't clog up the faucet. Everybody wants to have a different wrench. Oh, this is American Standard faucet. You already cleaned the washing machine. We didn't get the shot. But you also got to clean the filter on the washing machine. There's a filter right there, hot and cold. Make sure you clean them out. Whenever you turn the water off to a building, you turn it back on, you always take out the aerator, because if you run the water without doing this, you have a good chance of clogging it, which there is some old dirt there. See that? Mm-hmm. Just from everyday use. Dirt. So now the aerator's out. Now we can flush it. And look at the water, it's brown. Let it run. And then we do the hot side too. Real slow. Remember, we didn't do this yet. A little bit more. You want to run just in case there's some debris in the line, okay? That should be good. No, the other way. There you go. There must be a washer stuck up in. Oh, there is. Is there a washer stuck up in there?
Yeah.
Now, what's my famous line? Don't cross thread it. Should be hand tight. Should stop it. Squeeze it. There you go. Run it. Take it out. See what happens. What happened there? You have it upside down or something?
No, yeah, put it the way you told me to.
You broke it. No.
Yeah.
Drop it in. Other way. Drop it in the other way. Yes. There you go.
I thought it looked a little funky.
I thought you did it right. I didn't see you do it, and I'm sitting here watching you. You're fired.
Fire.
Test it. Hot and cold. One of your more common leaks, apprentices, is the water dripping down the jacket if this thing's not tight. And then it leaks under your sink. Alright. Hot and cold here, look. Shower head. Aerator. Check it.
Twist it off.
Twist it off. Lefty loosey. Lefty loosey. You tighten. You're turning the head itself. There you go. There you go, sonny boy. Do you need pliers, softness?
Yeah, probably.
You know what I am. I'm the best helper out there. Let's go. Don't scratch the already scratched shower head. Here. On the black rubber. That's it, you're good. Bring that joke out here and dump any debris that comes out. And we're going to run that shower head. Alright? That's good. Now run the shower head. Open the hot and cold. Alright. Hot and cold. Let it run for a sec. Alright. Don't cross thread it, right?
Yes, sir.
How about a little light on the subject? Best helper here. Alright, test her out. Bingo. Hot and cold?
And cold.
What we got?
God.
And there goes what?
Another satisfied customer. Are we done?
Come on, Kimi, give me some enthusiasm. And there goes what?
Another satisfied
Yeah,
customer.
boy. We gotta get CB to do this. CB, you're not off the hook. Anthony, I got the young buck doing it. So, we're gonna get CB to buy into the program. Is this funny?
It's true. It's $5 hour and it's gonna get going.
Let's get it going.